In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import opportunities into GoHighLevel. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate your data and maximize your productivity. Let's begin by preparing your CSV file. This is a crucial step because the CSV file acts as the bridge between your existing data and GoHighLevel. Make sure your CSV file includes essential columns such as name, email, and phone. These fields will serve as the fundamental contact information needed for each opportunity. Additionally, you'll want to include operational details like the pipeline and stage to properly contextualize where each opportunity stands in your sales process. Other critical fields you should have are opportunity value, which denotes the potential monetary worth of each lead, and optionally, opportunity status, assigned user, tags, and source for categorizing and organizing your data more effectively. Once you've carefully structured and reviewed your CSV file, save it in the CSV format to ensure compatibility with GoHighLevel. This format is the standard for importing and will ensure a smooth transfer of your data. Now that our CSV file is ready, it's time to move on to GoHighLevel. Start by logging into your account and selecting the appropriate sub-account if you're working with multiple subdivisions. It's important to navigate to the right account setting for a seamless data import experience. Once you've accessed your account, head over to the Opportunities section. This is where all your sales activity is tracked, making it the perfect spot to import and manage your new leads. After you've opened up the Opportunities tab, select the specific pipeline into which you want your data to be imported. Pipelines are essential for visually organizing your opportunities as they move through various stages of your sales funnel. Choose the one that best fits the opportunities you're importing, ensuring that all relevant details are captured and easily trackable. With these steps completed, you should now be prepared to begin the import process. Simply follow the remaining on-screen instructions in GoHighLevel to upload your CSV file, and watch as your carefully prepared data seamlessly integrates into your pipeline. Don't forget to review the imported data for any inconsistencies or errors that may need addressing. Remember, importing your opportunities into GoHighLevel not only simplifies your workflow, but also enhances your ability to manage and track potential leads efficiently. By following these steps, you've set yourself up for success in organizing your sales process and ultimately driving your business forward. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in getting you one step closer to mastering GoHighLevel.